Hello and welcome back to Cop Tool. Today we're taking an inside look at Milwaukee's new Gen 3 1/4-inch Hex Impact Driver. This latest addition to the M18 fuel lineup is only 4.5 inches in length and boasts 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, which is a 200 inch-pound increase in power over the previous Gen 2 model from 2017. So we wanted to take a look at the Gen 2 versus the Gen 3 and see what has improved in a year in terms of Milwaukee's engineering, design, and performance. So to do that, we put them into the hands of Evan, a 10-year veteran of residential and commercial construction, to test them out head-to-head. Then we opened them up with Chris at Ohio Power Tool to take a look inside. All right, let's get started. We equipped both Gen 2 and Gen 3 impact drivers with the 5 amp-hour battery that they typically ship with and tossed in a couple Milwaukee bits. Next, we got Evan comfortable with both models by driving a couple 3.5-inch screws and a lag bolt into a small section of a telephone pole. The screws went in at roughly the same speed, but on the lag bolt, you could feel the increase in performance right away with the Gen 3.
Oh, here it is. Beast.
After getting warmed up and used to their operation and their features, we attached a Milwaukee 3/4-inch speed feed wood bit, drilling both models on speed setting number 3 through a 4x4 wood fence post. Here's what we found. Evan drilled 4 3/4-inch holes using the Gen 2 impact driver first. Not a problem at all for the Gen 2 model, as Evan averaged 4.8 seconds per hole. Then he drilled the same 4 holes using the Gen 3 impact driver. The Gen 3 averaged only 3.1 seconds per hole, 1.7 seconds faster than the Gen 2. So Milwaukee's claim that they've increased their inch-pounds torque from 1,800 to 2,000 is definitely true, all while being smaller in size. We asked Evan what he thought after using both.
The Gen 3 has serious power to it.
Serious power to it.
Yeah, it definitely ate right through the 4x4 post. It's definitely a lighter.
It's lighter with more power?
Yeah, and it seemed like it's a little bit more compact too. So, and just feeling the center of it, it feels like it's a little bit more weight distributed evenly.
More balanced?
Yeah.
Okay. So next, we had Chris open them both up in his tool repair shop at Ohio Power Tool to look at how Milwaukee was able to pack more power into a smaller frame. Here's what he found.
Right off the get-go, appearance-wise, the Gen 3, they're calling it the stubby, is definitely smaller, shorter, narrower. Mm-hmm. It's more compact. If we open it up here, on the Gen 2, you don't have a back cap, so just the body separates. On the Gen 3, they've put a back cap on it, and the rotor assembly comes out with that. So once we get inside, we can tell a few little things they've changed. Again, on the Gen 3, they left the light up here, but it's 45'd up to your work, versus the Gen 2, which is just straight on. So it's more direct path of light for your LED. In the weight reduction that they're boasting, I can see how they did that. The back half of the gear house is now plastic versus the aluminum on the Gen 2. The basic structure of the rotor assembly is different, bigger but thinner. But as far as the gear case inside, nothing has changed. Yeah, I can imagine this is a powerful little rig here.
So in just 1 year, Milwaukee has really improved their 1/4-inch Hex Impact Driver. It's smaller and more powerful and still runs on their popular M18 fuel battery platform. Nice work, Milwaukee. Thanks, Evan and Chris. That's going to do it for this inside look at the new Milwaukee Gen 3 M18 Impact Driver. If you want to learn more about these impact drivers or the speed feed bits that we tested in today's video, we included links to each product in the description below. Subscribe now so you don't miss a thing from our channel, including our Power Tool Week in Review every Friday. And don't forget to go check out coptool.com for more power tool info and news. We'll see you next time.